Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an interesting topic to discuss, and it might sound a little confusing at first. We're diving into the world of logistic regression. But here's the twist, it's not about regression. I know it sounds strange, but logistic regression is actually a classification model. So, why the misleading name? Let's find out. But before we get into the details of logistic regression, let's make sure we're all on the same page. Logistic regression is a powerful tool in the field of machine learning, and its primary purpose is to predict whether a given input point belongs to a certain class. Now, here's where things get interesting. Its output is between 0 and 1, making it a typical classification model. So, if it's a classification model, why the name logistic regression? Well, the name doesn't describe the outcome, it actually tells us how the method works. You see, logistic regression is an extension of linear regression, and the underlying concepts are similar. The core idea is to regress the independent variables against the dependent variable, just like in linear regression. However, logistic regression goes beyond this and transforms the output into binary. In fancy statistical terms, we can say that logistic regression is a generalized linear model where the dependent variable is binomially distributed. Let me help you visualize it with an example. Imagine you want to predict if someone will pass the next exam or not based on the hours they've studied. It's common sense that if someone studies more, the probability of passing is higher. Logistic regression assigns weights to the study hours and calculates a value for each student. This value then goes through a logistic function, which converts it into a probability. If the probability is closer to 1, the model predicts that the student will probably pass. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If we visualize the logistic regression model, the decision boundary is represented by a curved line. This line helps classify whether a student will pass or fail based on their study hours. The closer a point is to the boundary, the more uncertain the prediction is. So, in a nutshell, logistic regression is a classification model that uses a unique method to make predictions. It's not about traditional regression, despite its name. If you've ever wondered about this, you're not alone. It's one of those quirks in the world of data science. And that's a wrap for today's video. I hope you found this explanation of logistic regression insightful. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.